Found my heart by the crossroads, dust let the bottle rust in the moonlight's trust. Her voice echoes in the wind so cold. Memories left me feeling whole. Picked my steel string guitar and cried. Tears fell down where hope had died. Her love was a fire now burned to ash, chasing shadows of our past. Oh, the night is long and my soul is torn, lost in the songs of a heart forlorn. Every chord sings the pain I keep. Loneliness is my only sleep. Whiskey whispers in my ear so deep. Promises we knew we'd never keep. The blues ain't just a song, my friend. They're the start, they're the bitter end. Oh, the night is long and my soul is torn, lost in the songs of a heart forlorn. Every chord sings the pain I keep. Loneliness is my only sleep. The silence speaks in a mournful tone. Her ghost remains though she is gone. Love's last whisper fades away into the blues where shadows play. Oh, shadows call. In the quiet night I hear you fall. Every tear you shed I feel it too. In this heart that beats only for you. With each passing day I see the signs. Time may draw a line we can't rewind. Yet your memory whispers soft and true. In this aching soul longing for you. Though the seasons turn and rivers flow, wherever you are is where I'll go. No matter the tides or skies of blue, remember my love stays here with you. Twilight hours we once did dance, every step a part of our romance. Now the room is empty, but I still see the ghost of our love haunting me. Echoes of the sweet refrain, fragile as the drops of summer rain. Yet I'll stand alone through night and day, holding love that won't decay. Though the seasons turn and rivers flow, wherever you are is where I'll go. No matter the tides or skies of blue, remember my love stays here with you.
Got your note in the morning light, said you were leaving without a fight. Tears fell down like summer rain. Cold-hearted woman bringing me pain, left me standing in the dark. No goodbye, just a cruel remark. Love was once a burning fire, now it's ashes and desire. Cold-hearted woman, where'd you go? Left my heart in a bitter woe. Gone with the wind, left me to cry. Cold-hearted woman, tell me why. Saw your shadow on the moon, dance away to a haunting tune. Promises broke and dreams betrayed. With your love my soul decayed. Empty bottles and a broken song. Nights are endless and days are long. You took the warmth left on the chill,
sitting by the window, lost in rain. You promised forever, now I'm in pain. Your touch was sweet, yeah, but it became a chain. Now I'm just a whisper, crying out your name. Loneliness creeps in like a midnight thief. You left me hollow, drowning in grief. Days turn to nights, but there's no relief. Your love is a ghost, haunting in disbelief. I can't quit you, baby, though it tears me down. Your memory's a weight that makes me drown. Each breath I take feels like a silent scream. I can't let go of you, feels like a dream. Your lies cut deep like a jagged knife, tore apart my soul and wrecked my life. Every word you said struck me like a fife. Now I'm wandering, lost in heartache and strife. The shadows of our past won't leave me be. Your betrayal carved its mark, you see. No comfort in the night, no sanctuary. Just a heart that's broken and a soul unfree. I can't quit you, baby, though it tears me down. Your memory's a weight that makes me drown. Each breath I take feels like a silent scream. I can't let go of you, feels like a dream. The shadows of our past won't leave me be. Your betrayal carved its mark, you see. No comfort in the night, no sanctuary. Just a heart that's broken and a soul unfree. I can't quit you, baby, though it tears me down. Your memory's a weight that makes me drown. Breath I take feels like a silent scream. I can't let go of you, feels like a dream.
Watching you walk away feels like a blade cutting deep in my soul, leaving nothing but shade. Loneliness wraps me in a tight embrace. Wish I could erase your touch from this place. Cigarette smoke curling up to the sky. Pillows don't dry these tears, no matter how hard I try. Heartache echoing through empty rooms. Memories hit me like relentless monsoon. I'd rather go blind than see you with another. Every whisper, every kiss feels like thunder. I can't stand to watch you love someone else. as hell. Every night I drown in a bottle of glass, hoping to forget the love that didn't last. The silence of your absence is deafening loud. Pride's lost beneath the sorrowful shroud. The clock's cruel hands, they don't slow down. Loneliness reigns like a king with no crown.